Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to fix the missing minimize all button here. So now we have to do like this, like Windows plus D to minimize all the windows, or like Windows tab to see everything here, okay? So in order to fix this, first you need to go to settings, click here, type settings, open, find here taskbar behavior, go to taskbar settings. So here you can see a bunch of options, okay? Forget about all of this. You don't need this stuff. What you need to enable the copilot, okay? And then you need to open this part, taskbar behavior, and select this one. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. So you click on this, and then you see your magical button here pops up. This is how you fix this problem. So now whenever like you are doing something, like you are searching, blah blah blah, you just click here and it just minimizes instead of doing Windows plus D, because like we all used for this option. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I right now have only 77 subscribers. Even if I posted 135 videos, but still need your support. Like here, I'll be putting more how to do videos. Thank you. Please subscribe, and I'm hoping that I could help to fix your problem.